Hello, welcome to all of you in my survey class. I, Dr. Pradeep Kumar Srivastava, is again welcoming all of you. So, I am starting from today, that is the survey. Dear boys, survey is very life, it includes that the very important thing in the engineer's life. Entire life, when you are doing engineering work, you need to the survey. Always, where you want to go, the construction or anything, you will prepare a house, you build up a house, you build up a bridge, you will construct a railway line, you will construct a hangar, airport, and anything. You will construct a tunnel. So, my dear boy, first thing, you need the survey. So, today we will discuss about the survey. What is the first we will see what is the objective of survey. So, surveying is defined as taking a general view of by observation and measurement, determining the boundary size, position, quantity, condition, valuates of the land, estates, building, forms, mines, etc. And finally presenting the survey data in a suitable form. This covers the work of the valuation surveyor, the quantity surveyor, the building surveyor, the mining surveyor, and so forth, as well as the land surveyor, another school of thought of define of surveying as the act of making measurement of the relative position of natural and manmade failure in the earth to surface and the presentation of the information neither graphically or numerically. So the aim of surveying is to prepare a map. Listen this, my dear boy. This word is very important for you. The aim of surveying is to prepare a map and to show the relative position of the objective on the surface of the earth, to collect field data, to prepare plan or map of the area surveyed, to analyze and calculate the field parameters for setting out operation of actual engineering work. This person is doing survey. He is preparing a road. This is the figure for your lesson. Also, in your course detail, I have seen the first part of 2-semester course. 3 hours lecture and 2 hours practical per week with the 4 courses credits. So Communication. Activities involve lecture, practical, tutorial, and field practice. And lecture provided theoretical background of the topic. Practical session in which you will carry your measurement and process. Then tutorial if there needs additional guideline for the preparation for the assessment. Please note that you have to arrange an appointment in the due time, so field practice. Now, we'll start surveying. Again, topic. So, surveying is the art of and science of the determining the relative position of the various points of station on the surface of the earth by measuring of the horizontal and vertical distances, angles, and taking the detail of each point, and by preparing a map or plan to any suitable scale. My dear boy, suppose you have want to construct a big workshop. So what will you do? You have done different type of survey. How? First, suppose your project officer has given instruction to you that a workshop or factory will be constructed on the corner of on the left bank of Chambal at Chambal River at this near city Kota. Just it is example. So what will become in your mind? You have planned in your mind how type of that place, how will reach there. So first, you will go by your vehicle, and as per map, you will see the location. And at the position where as your project officer says, this is the location of factory. So you will reach there. You will reach there, and then you will investigate where is the correct place. And after that, my dear, you will move around the entire area when the factory will be constructed. Okay, and you will take a decision. Here maybe establish a factory. Here maybe construct at that parking. Here maybe can construct at canteen. Maybe there is nothing, but if planning is running in your mind. Or this is the Chambal River, so a bridge is also required. And oh, that is the two on the some distance. You are looking the hillock, and you're very happy. Oh, this is very good. I will I will construct here setup of the water tank. So entire all thing, your eyes, your physical activity have done survey, and you have marked some your map, and you have back to your office and reported to your boss. Yes. Or what you have done there? Then what you will reply? You will reply, my dear boy, I have done reconnaissance survey. That is called reconnaissance survey. You have done a reconnaissance survey. Okay. So, survey is the art of and science of determining the relative position of various points of station on the surface of the earth by measuring the horizontal and vertical distance angle and taking the detail of this point and the preparing a map or plan to any suitable scale. Now suppose you have come and next time you have taken to your assistant and you have again go to that area. Here a river is flowing. Here hillock is available. You're free. In this area, you want to construct your factory. No road is available. So you have a plan. Here is a road is inquired. Here a bridge has been constructed to go by this type. So a approach road and after that real road will be required like this. An internal road will be required like this. A big workshop will be made to here. Here you want to construct a vehicle stand. Here you want to construct a canteen. Here you want to construct a rest room, rest house. So many features as the plan that the department has planned. You will think on the field and then my dear boy, you will use the now survey instrument. What first you will measure? You will measure first how much approach road distance from here to site, how much boundary distance will come, the internal road area, how much distance will be constructed, the length and broad and height of workshop and location is important. What is the water planning? Again, the idea has come to your mind. This is a hillock. If government gives the permission, you can set up a water tank on this hillock. You can supply here. But if hillock is here, then it will be better. If hillock is across the river, then it is not possible. How water comes from across the river? So you will plan where and how we will build up a big storage water tank and a emergency section bore pump. So you will search where I can shift the water tank. It will be better. You will think the corner of river, it is the water tank will be better because when water will be dropped, it can go to the river also. So my dear boy, you will also see that entire this area will be made as gardening and these all features which I have told you. You will write on your notebook and map. And when you have come back at your office, then what you will do? Dear boy, you will do the map and nothing wait. You will do the map and you will show on the map every all location which you have seen in the field area with that river and approach road and entire all your planning which are running in your mind. This all thing you will plan the map. So this is surveying. This is surveying. You will use there so many instruments, maybe chan, maybe tape, or so many measuring instruments, dumpy label, theodolite. So dear boy, it is called surveying. Very, very important in the life. Everything you want to construct. So first you do the survey. And what you think, my dear boy, if you want to purchase a small thing, suppose you want to purchase a bike, so you have done always so many shop survey, how much price, how much price. So if you are constructing the big project, so I think survey is required. So I think survey is required. Seeing that your planning is come at your this photograph. Suppose, my dear boy, just when I was saying to all of you, you have reached your site and you are looking entire area. So maybe your area this type, and maybe you shall be a part of this surveyor. And after that survey, you could prepare a map. This is the field surveying photograph of the engineer who want to construct a big uh, colony, big workshop or big things. They have searched entire all the things, how water will become, where sewerage system will be developed, where a road will approach, road will be come, type of land, everything you will be right by notebook, and you will prepare by map with if you want to prepare on the side the map. So dear boy, you will prepare the map in the plain table. This is also a photograph of surveyor. Up now we have coming leveling. Dear boy, if suppose you are standing here and a big tree are available here, then distance of dear boy you will measure how you will measure? You will measure by chan, you will measure by tape, yeah, you will measure by any linen plastic rope. which have standardized. But how much height of this tree? How much height? How? You will measure the bearing of tree by theodolite. And when you have seen how the position of earth, suppose this type of position, so you should label the land also. Suppose this type of land is available, this type. See there, here are lowland area, here is lowland area. Here is all lowland area, my dear boy. So you will feel. Why will feel? If you will construct a house, if you will construct a house on the level of ground, so sewerage problem will be strongly faced. No water will be moved from house to out. So what you will do? You will fill that is big. Now you will build up a house on this height. Up now what? Now what will be developed? The water will become like this. This is the technique of my dear one. So if it is the same problem of just you have seen the land of this, you will fill the all land and after the 1 or 2 meter height, you will make the plain surface and there you want to construct the workshop. But you'll think how much quantum of soil you need to fill this. How much quantum of soil, how you will fill that? Any boy? Yes, correct. You will fill by soil. So its surface will be and up to my dear boy, this is the ground level and this is your fill level. Up to this level you fill and will make the plane surface. So how you know? You will measure all the thing, my dear boy, by leveling. Leveling will be give you all the information. How much land is low-lying area and how much land is uplying area like this. How much cutting or how much filling. So dear boy, leveling is also in surveying very important thing. Very, very important thing. It will give information at which level you want to construct the house and what is the position of land. And leveling is a branch of surveying which deal with the measurement of relative height of different point on above or below, above or below the surface of the earth. My dear boy, thus in leveling, the measurement elevation are taken in the vertical plane. And how we will do? So you can see in this picture, a surveyor are doing the leveling and staff man is standing with the staff. Boy, she had from 40 centimeter up kept the staff. So why 40 centimeter? That's the general height of the, this will be count at the level. This will be count 40 centimeter. So suppose he has seen in the reading 1.260 and 0.40 is the peg height which they have kept the staff. So my dear, it means height is 1.460. The ground level is not height, ground level is 1.660. So this is the survey and this is the machine, dear boy. This is called automatic level machine. It is very good machine and I have worked from this machine. In the practical session, you can also do from here. And your right side, this is the staff. And across here, you are looking, this is the stadia here. This. So this line is showing upper stadia and this line is showing lower stadia. If you want to only distance, so you can minus upper stadia minus lower stadia multiplied by 100 and distance will become. Otherwise, you can take a constant also. This is the survey instrument. This is the compass. This is not generally, this is the magnetic compass. This is the survey chain, the Gunter chain. This is the spirit level. And this is the prism. This is the plumb bob. This is the walkie-talkie. This is the rechargeable cell. This is the LEDs. And this is total station. And this is the hand pieces. And there is double stop button. This is the plane table. And this is theodolite. This is the auto level. This is the long staff. This is the tripod. This is ranging rod. And thereby, they all are weapon of the engineer to do the work. All are instruments. So first you will make the just I was giving a reference. When you will reach the field, you will make a plan. So after the finalization of, my dear boy, you will make the master plan like this. Suppose this is the road passing. This is will be enter a gate. This will be big workshop. This is the stand. This is colony of living officer and guest house. This is the servant quarters. This is the other essential thing. So it is the final map with a master plan, not elevation, master plan. You can see the top view and how you will construct in this map. You can see everything. This is the swimming pool and other. Now, this is the other objective of the surveying. It means plan. If you are making a residential plan, so you should be prepared like this. This is the outer road. This is internal road. This is the big plots. This is the big plots. This is the swimming pool. This is the hotel or corridor. And this is the faculty of staff of hotels. So this is all our planning after the surveying. Now it is a map. I am showing to you, my dear boy. This is the Gurgaon Manesar. How you will construct a road map and how you will develop a colony. How will develop a road map and how will develop a colony. This is a simple idea for you. Now, the surveying may be used for following purpose. The prepare a topographical map which shows hill, valley, river, forest village, and town, etc. You will prepare a topographical map. My dear boy, what is a topographical? You will show a map, contour map, as the topography of Earth is showing. Okay? And on that map, you will be after second map, that is called construction map. So you will prepare construction map like this or like this or like this. Okay? Any all are master plan. So first you will construct a construction map, and after that, dear boy, you will prepare the master plan. So when you will flat the land, how you will prepare the area. So the prepare a topographical map which show hill, valley, river, forest, village, town, etc. To prepare a cadastral map which show the boundaries of field, lot, houses, and other property. To prepare an engineering map which show the position of engineering work such as building, road, railway, dams, and canals. So, dear boy, this is the use of survey. So one thing, just for your remember, if first you will go the site, then what you will do? You will do reconnaissance survey by physical. When second you will go, then what you will do? You will do ground survey. That is called topographical survey. And if first today you have read the reconnaissance survey, topographical survey. In topographical survey, you use so many machines. One, chain, compass, plane table, auto level, theodolite, and so on. So after that survey, you will prepare a topographical. And after the finishing of topographical map, you will prepare a master plan. So master plan, he will say silently all the things, how area this will be developed. And this is very useful for you when you have decided how much distances from this to this, how length is this, how distance from this, how swimming pool is this, everything, everything you can see. My dear boy, these are topographical map. Just I was telling to you, what is you will make a contour map, and contour map will be decide all the thing, how the condition of land is available. So you can see this. Here is a hill. It is a hill. The top of hill is this. You are imagining? This is the top of hill, and this is written every meter contour. It means contour means height of elevation, a line which are showing height of elevation. And you will show in this line 380 meter, 381 meter, 382 meter, 383, 384, 385, 386, and onwards on up to end of place. You will show. So this is the top view, and this is just only contour plan, and this is called, my dear boy, topographical map. Correct? Any doubt? If you are working in a deep forest, Then you will construct a topographical map like this. Okay. And if you will map working in the city, so you will make a cadastral map. Cadastral map is a very important. It will give you all information. How much houses, where a road is turned, how much the irrigation land, how much is the waste land, entire all the thing is showing. So one thing you can see this is also engineering map. This is the position of river. This is the flat area. You have seen this is the hilly area. This is the hilly area and this is hillock. And this is the river zone. This is plain surface, a village area, cadastral map. And this is engineering map. What is difference between engineering map and topographical map? Actually, my dear boy, and topographical map, you have show only the elevation of height up and down, where you want to fill and where you want to dig. You have to cut the earth, where the cutting and where the filling. Entire all things shown in the topographical map. But in the engineering map, my dear boy, you will show the railway line, the canal alignment, the position of river, the condition of city, etc. etc. So, a use of surveying to prepare a contour map to know the topography of the area, to find out the best possible site for road, railway bridges, reservoir, canals, etc. So, surveying is also used to prepare military map, geological map, archaeological map, etc. for setting out work and transferring detail from the map or the ground. Correct? Prepare a contour map to know the topography of the area, to find out the best possible site for road and railway bridge, reservoir and canal, etc. So this is the use of surveying. Now this is the contour map and these are contour line. My dear boy, you have seen topographical map, engineer map, cadastral map. Now it is the military map. The how are change in the military man? Actually, military man in the military map, there everything is clear. In the military map, everything is clear. How much distance how much distance from this village to this village, or how much distance, everything. It is clear what is the distance from one area to second area. This is geological map. If you are working in Geological Survey of India, so dear boy, this is the earth and this is the formation. What is available on the earth, which type of soil, which is mines, which is water, oil, gas, so many things are available in the earth. So everything should be shown on the geological map. This is archaeological map. If you are working in the monuments and archaeology department, so you should prepare this is archaeological map. Now, setting out of work. So step in setting out a building where you will keep the situation foundation in this map you will show. Now, primary division of survey. So we know that shape of the earth is spherical, thus the survey is obviously curved, and surveying is the preliminarily divided into two types of considering the curvature of the earth's surface. So there is two types of survey, plane survey and geodetic survey. So now you have seen plane survey. Up, one thing you will show geodetic survey. So what is definition of plane survey? The plane surveying is that type of surveying in which earth surface is considered as a plane and curvature of the earth ignored. In such surveying, a line joining any two stations is considered to be straight. The triangle formed by any 3 point is considered as a plane triangle, and the angle of the triangle are considered as plane triangle. So surveying is carried out a small area of less than 250 square kilometers. And further, why 250? I will explain in my next topic. This is plane surveying. This is geodetic surveying. When you are measure height of mountain, height of tree, that is called, my dear boy, geodetic. The geodetic surveying is that type of surveying in which the curvature of the earth is taken into account. It is generally extended over large area. The line joining my two stations is considered as the curved line. The triangle formed by any 3 point is considered to be spherical, and the angle of the triangle are considered to be spherical angle, and geodetic surveying is constructed by the Survey of India department is carried out by a larger area exceeding 250 kilometer. 250 kilometer. So this is geodetic surveying. This is geodetic surveying. This is plain survey for a comparative statement. The fundamental principle of surveying. My dear boy, today you have learned about my lecture regarding surveying. So some MCQ I will ask to you. This is instrument of chain survey. Compass. Is it compass? In my second lecture, you have seen this. Now, I will ask some MCQ. Suppose, my dear boy, now you have seen, now you have read the lecture survey. So give me reply of my MCQ. So a level line is what is called? Answer B. Line parallel to the mean spherical surface of the earth. A gate cap, a gated cap is fitted with which one? Answer D, prismatic compass. Correct? It will be fitted with the prismatic compass. A long 0 slope correction to apply to the start 30-meter chain length. So what is answer? Answer A. 30.01. Now a telescope is set inverted. If it's then what is the mean? Answer A. Vertical circle is to its right and the bubble of the telescope is down. My next question is angle of 45 with a chain that may be set out with answer C, the French cross staff. And next question, a level line is, what is level line? Answer B, line parallel to the main spherical surface of the earth. And next, a gate cap fitted with a answer D, prismatic compass. And next question, a long 0 slope is correction to applied is 30-meter chain length. Answer A, 30 second 0 to 1 minute. So this is the reference books and magazines. This is also reference books. So thank you for listening carefully my lecture, and you are welcome in my tomorrow lecture. That will be part 2. Okay, thank you.